Hello, I'm Mr. Loreline, and I'm your son or daughter's literature teacher at Helfrich Park. In this video, I am going to go over this week's lessons for literature. That means I'll be going over from Monday, August 31st, until Friday, September 4th. And it's been a great start so far, and so I am really excited to now have a full week at school where everyone is present. So, let's go over this week's lessons. On Monday, August 31st, we will begin reading the short story Rikki Tikki Tavi. Now, the main character of that story is a mongoose, so we're going to watch a short video of a mongoose in action in its natural habitat. That way the students are able to visualize that character in their own mind. Now, questions that go with the short story will be on Actively Learn, the website that we will be reading the short story on. And you will notice throughout the year we'll be using Actively Learn a lot. On Tuesday the 1st, we'll continue reading that short story. And then on September 2nd, the Wednesday, we'll actually finish it. And again, those questions and short story will be on Actively Learn. On Thursday, we are going to go over the different plot elements of Rikki Tikki Tavi as a whole group. And this is going to be practice for what the students are going to be doing later, which we will pick up on Thursday also. The students will be watching an episode of Ant Farm on Thursday. And on Friday, they'll finish that episode. And after they finish, then they will have time in class to work on the interactive plot diagram that goes with that television show. Now, I always give enough time in class to finish these assignments. But if a student doesn't finish, then of course they will need to complete it for homework. Again, as I've said, this has been a great start to this year, and I'm excited for this week and the weeks ahead.